Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. And we've just checked into our Airbnb here at Star Residences. We are pretty excited about being back here. We've been here before, spent about 3 months here in the city, and we're really looking forward to exploring again and getting some work done and of course having some fun as usual. So let's take a tour of this apartment. This is a 2-bedroom apartment and it has 1 bathroom, and the bathroom is located in the master, which I'll show you in just a minute. But let's start right here in the kitchen. Look at how big this kitchen space is. It's huge. Like, wow, that's amazing. Big space. Fridge looks like it's brand new. I opened this and it still had plastic wrap and the tape still, and same thing down here. The tape is on all the shelves and this stuff is still wrapped up that goes in the freezer. So yeah, definitely clean fridge, which is quite nice. Looks like also a brand spanking new microwave as well as a kettle, which we love. We have become so accustomed to using kettles that when we go back to the US, it's always sad that we don't have one. Okay, we've got a hob and the oven here, this is like a super treat to have an oven in Asia, especially in Southeast Asia. And actually they run these a little bit different. Watch this, you'll see where the clock lights up here. You actually have to switch them on over here in the corner. See how it came on right there? So to save energy, they do have the switch off button, so if this is not on, then you can't turn the stove on. So you gotta make sure that you have to turn the switches on over here, and it also helps to run your fan as well. So if this is on, and you do that over there. So that's good. Have one nice sink there. And then we have got a washer dryer combo, which is another dream in Southeast Asia. Because this apartment doesn't have a balcony, you can dry your stuff in here, not a big deal. They do provide a rack as well if you would rather do that, which I may do anyways, because sometimes I find the washer dryer combos don't always dry great. But we might give it a shot and see how this one is, because it seems to be pretty new. So it has all your washer stuff here, all your dryer stuff here, and it's all in English, so no translator needed. It's a Samsung, so that's really cool. And a few very small basics here of just 1 pan and 1 spoon to cook with, and then we've got some plates, cups, mugs, and bowls. And they also provided, looks like quite a bit of silverware, which is really nice too. So that's great. Tons of cabinet space, as you can see. All these are doors with, you know, all kinds of space. This one pulls out and it's actually racks. So that's really nice too. So this kitchen is amazing. I think I'm going to be using it a lot. Okay, let's head out here. Speaking of the kitchen, you've got this sitting bar area where you can sit and have your meals. 2 nice stools here, and also a couple of placemats as well. So this is really just amazing to have such a huge kitchen in an apartment like this in the middle of the city. We are in the financial district. Check out this living room. Let me tell you right now that I've already sat in this couch a couple of times, and it is so comfortable. Just kind of wraps you up when you sit down. So when you're here, you're gonna be here for a minute. But I'm not. I'm gonna finish up my tour. So we've got a really nice TV. Look at this Samsung TV, really nice size. So you'll be able to see it perfectly fine from the couch. This living room space is a really good size. Coffee table looks great. It's a good height, and it's not glass. I hate having the glass tables just because there's always the hassle of it could break or whatever. Look at this gorgeous view right here. They got this cool little, you know, silk plant to make it look homey, but you're just surrounded right here in the middle of the city. It is KLCC. It is just beautiful right here. So Kuala Lumpur City Center is exactly where we're at. And if you need to air out or access the air conditioner, that's what's outside this door. It's not really a balcony, but that's what's out there. Not really a place where you go and hang out. All right, so this is actually the 2nd bedroom in here. And it does have an air conditioner. which is really nice to have an air con in here. But here's the rack, really, if you want to dry some things. Extra pillows, because this turns into a bed. It slides out, turns into a bed. And I did notice in some of the reviews, people mentioned that this was really hard, and the host made things better by bringing in a mattress. So this mattress is going to be a lot better to sleep on than on here. So you just open that up, take the mattress and set it on top, and it's going to be quite comfy. So I think that's really good that the host decided to do something like that. Let's head into the master bedroom. And this is a huge space. It's beautiful, nice, actual king size bed, which I love. Have a nice desk over here in the corner to kind of work at if you want to. I feel like this apartment was just furnished very recently. As I mentioned, the fridge earlier looked pretty new, but this looks really new too. It doesn't have like any scratches or anything on it. So I think it's pretty new. Again, look at the views from the bedroom. Absolutely beautiful. There is a wardrobe closet right through here. You've got 2 levels here, and on this side you've got drawers, so you can just open those up. And there is one thing I did forget to mention. If you know Kuala Lumpur, you know, and I've heard of the Petronas Towers, and from our actual apartment you can see one of the towers right there. That's one of the twin towers. From the rooftop pool you can actually see both of the towers, so that's pretty cool. Let's take a peek here at the bathroom. First things first, let me pull this the other way. So in here you've got the frosted windows, so you get nice light coming into the bathroom. It doesn't feel so dark and dingy. I do love having light in the bathroom. Sink looks good, and lots of space here, but even better, you don't even have to take up all this space up here, because you have this space down here for each of us to set our things. Absolutely fabulous, I think. And then here we've got the bum gun, as they call it, and your commode to be able to flush. You can even set things here on the shelf to store, but you've got your shower in here, and I love that there's a little star on the handle of the shower, but you've got a rain shower and a regular shower head that you can pull off, and a little shelf to set all of your things. So yeah, this is an amazing apartment building. It's quite popular. And it's luxurious, but not like overdone. And it does have a great gym. It has a great rooftop pool, lots of great amenities. I'm going to show you those as well before we leave. So let's go take a look at the pool, the gym, and the other amenities.